Things have been tough around here lately. As a preacher, preaching to a room with nobody in it, I miss the people. Oh sure, we talk in the chat during service, text one another, keep up on Facebook, but it's just not the same. It's lonely. And no matter what I say or do, I can't change the fact that I'm preaching to a big, empty building. And then, one day, when I was in my office typing, really typing, big, important stuff, I started to think, I'm in a big old church building. We have an attic. There's got to be a box of puppets up there somewhere. Now things are starting to look up. I mean, sure, it's led to a few problems.
Well, all right, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. We're going to start our 56 course going through the book of Song of Solomon tonight. So I hope you guys are ready for that. But before we get started, let's take up offering. Go.
It's also led to a couple of embarrassing situations.
Oh my gosh, Craig, I'm sorry. I didn't know you were in there. Oh, well, light a candle, man, huh? Woo!
But our board meetings seem to go a lot smoother.
All right, guys, thank you so much for coming in today. We don't really have a lot to cover. The one thing that I did have is the possibility of giving the pastor a raise. So if you're in agreement, just keep quiet. And if you don't think we should, just speak up and say something. Okay, approved.
Although our church meals aren't quite what they used to be.
All right. Thank you guys for coming to brunch, everybody. Hope you're hungry. And thank you all so much for providing all of this food. Well, anyway, let's just form a line. I hope you're hungry. Who wants some butter?
But at least they stay and help clean up afterwards.
And I sure appreciate you guys sticking around to help clean up. Get us out of here a lot faster, huh? Right, Big Bird? Big Bird. Big Bird? Where? Oh. There we go.
Music is a little weird now.
All right, let's start off with a hymn. Let's sing 147, a lot of people's favorite. Let's sing I'll Fly Away. Let's wait for piano. Barbara?
I'll fly away, oh glory, I'll fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I'll fly away.
So I hope you see that we're all dealing with this the very best that we can. But the most important thing that you need to remember is I'm not crazy. Right, Puppet Bert?
Right, Nathan.
Oh.